Yarr, me mateys, it's me, Foxy the Pirate Fox. And I'm about to react to 5 AM at Freddy's, the prequel, right now. Look, it's Story Bonnie.
Hey, Bonnie. Have you seen the night guard? He's not wearing his costume again.
How can he not see through that disguise when I can?
Yeah, but we'll find him eventually. It's just difficult with that spare Freddy head he's been wearing.
Well, as you can see, he's nowhere around here, so why don't you go look elsewhere? Night guard, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Oh, it's me. Yes. Ah, damn that flashlight.
The night guard?
That's the night guard right there.
No, that's just Freddy.
You idiot.
No, he's doing that thing with the spare Freddy head again. You know, messing with your facial scanners. Ah, damn it. If he's Freddy, why does he keep flashing that wretched flashlight in my face?
Well, obviously you're scaring him.
Scaring him?
I'm gonna gouge your eyes out.
Please.
Calm down.
No, I'm the only one in this damn place who can see through that disguise.
Boom, boy, come on.
Up here.
I don't really care if he's Freddy. I'm just trying to get my hands on his sweet, succulent AA batteries.
Why is the Boom Boy so addicted to those batteries so much?
You're the night guard.
That's a problem.
You know what? Where's Freddy? There can't be two Freddys, right? Freddy! You. Well, now we've got two Freddys in the room.
Cool.
Bonnie, are you serious?
Slap you.
Wait, what's going on here?
We're looking for the night guard.
He's the night guard.
Pretty sure that's Freddy.
Are you? Come on.
You're Freddy.
Where are you going?
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
I don't get what's confusing.
Bonnie, listen. Oh wait, what time is it? I'm Mango. What time is it? 5:59.
Be the night guard.
The night guard?
The night guard.
Batteries.
Yes.
No, I'm Freddy. Right? Oh God!
Yeah. Next 6 o'clock. Is that it? I think that's it. Oh, hold on. Hey, look, it's Golden Freddy. Well, that's done. Goodbye.